Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Looking for a secure, privacy-focused note-taking app? Then Siyuan might be your best option in 2025. So here's why. Let's talk about what is Siyuan. So Siyuan is a local-first open-source note-taking app with a clean block-based editor and graph view. It works on Windows, Mac, or Linux, even mobile, and it stores your notes locally by default. Now, here's the secret features of this platform. End-to-end encryptions, your notes are encrypted both at risk and in sense. No cloud dependency. You can sense via WebDAV or S3, fully self-hosted. Two-factor authentication adds another layer of protection. Open source, you can audit the code yourself. Now let's talk about the downside of this platform, that is interface can be partially in Chinese. Since setup is technical, not beginner friendly, minor past concerns over dev transparency, but core software remains solid and secure. Now here's the final verdict for you. If you want total data privacy, offline access, and self-control sensing, Siyuan is one of the best secure note app in 2025. But if you prefer easy cloud sensing and smoother mobile experience, consider Obsidian or Logsec instead. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.